Good morning, everyone. Jim here. Something I haven't videoed very much of during this cabin build is shingling the roof. So I'm going to do that today, so you'll at least catch a piece of it. It's kind of I enjoy it, but it's a long job. And you know, when you're hauling your own shingles up the roof, Linda does help a lot. She gets them up at least to the first staging, but that's as far as I'd like her to go. And then I haul them up even further, but I'm at a point now where it's just, there's no cutting. I got the right side over here all the way up, all the cutting's done. So now it's just laying shingles until I get back to a 45. Then I'll have to start cutting on the other side. So anyway, I'm going to just let the camera run, and I'll edit it later, maybe speed it up or something, you know, but to show the progress today. So thanks for watching. I hope you stay with us and subscribe. Okay folks, so welcome back. Today's September 25th, and I just finished removing all the staging. So it looks like this side of the roof is complete, and I'll show you in just a second. What a job. I'm glad it's finished. Quite a job. I'm glad it's finished. This side anyway. The other side's covered with 100%. The other side is covered with 100% ice and water shield. So it'll be fine until we get back to it in the spring. So anyway, thanks for watching, and film is going to be sped up quite a bit, I think, but Linda and I both appreciate it. We'll have more videos for you know it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Love y'all.